Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error with the error code 0x800701e3 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the USB connections. Just make sure that they are connected in the right manner, and if they are loose or if the port is not working, then try it with a different port. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space/f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is to reinstall the drivers. Search for Device Manager and open Device Manager. Scroll down to USB Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click on the first one and update the drivers, and do that for all the root hub drivers. Okay. The next solution will be to update Windows to the latest version. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The last solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.